masaya ako ulit. I ask and pray to God na I ask and pray to God na sana maging okay lahat. Sana maging better lahat. Sana I found someone better. But then He gave me the best, which is you. Sobrang laking blessing, hindi lang dahil ikaw dumating sa buhay ko, but dahil you let me also kinakilala mo yung family and friends sa akin. So that's more than enough for me to be eternally grateful, not just to him, but to you, to Tita, and the whole family. So thank you for making my life better. And dati sinasabi mo, tinatanong mo sa akin bakit nangyari mo sa'yo, bakit nahihirapan ka. And I think now, you know the reason why it made you stronger, wiser, braver. And nandito may reason. Nagiging worth it na ako. So at least, happy 23 years of existence. And I love you so much. Siko, ever thought